Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XiaoQiao A82 to Samsung device. Start by accessing Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. I already did that over here because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away. Click Allow a bunch of times. Choose I accept, confirm, and allow again. Then open this app on Samsung, but this time click on I accept, confirm, continue, and then allow. Now choose receive over here and send. Then click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and tap on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Samsung, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into My Files app, select in my case images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!